Rock City have more belly than a fat man.
Yeah, that one.
Boom, 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 boom. Kidding. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tariq. Bow. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tariq Vlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. Now we're here with another reaction for you guys. We have Toppy Boss. Is it me I say? Them for know. It's an old song. That's an old song 7 months ago. So January, December, them time. January, February, March. Then me I say, yeah. You don't know. Partner live and man say, yo, and if you react to the song, so I check out the song and then me I say, people, yeah, man, run up on the like button, on the video, tear up the like button. Spam the fire emoji, them. As you don't know, we got a new lighter yesterday has entered the chat. It have BIC on it. But I call it BIC. I'm not going to call it BIC, so I'm not going to see if nobody name. So BIC the lighter name, you see me? Them dead? You do me and say, powerful blast. Them dead? Them dead. I will still have all light in the building. Don't know chap. No strike again. I know. So when somebody sang trash, I know what I find something for use to that. I know what I find something for use. But we don't talk about that. We can see what I go on for the science people. We say the man have a lyrics that's going to say, yo, what? Something more money than fat man. You remember how it go? But me here line up on the life. Run tune.
All of a sudden I'm the bad guy.
Yeah.
All of a sudden I'm the fucking bad guy.
Bad guy.
But you know what? You can suck my fucking dick.
Ah.
You fucking penga who put that.
What?
Them fi know me a gunman.
Hey.
Circle elements and I think of white van.
Wait, go. Them fi know me a gun bad man. I'm not trip on life like I'm here to sing already. I'm not here to sing it. Them fi know me a gun man. Go on.
Fucking bad guy. But you know what? You can suck my fucking dick. You fucking penga who put that.
Achoo.
Them fi know me a gunman. Circle elements and I think of white van.
White van.
Rock City have more belly than a fat man.
Yeah, that one. Rock City have more belly than a fat man. Watch out. Pew, pew. Right, true.
Right, be my brother, you a real one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, please don't fuck with a 9. Run down boy in the middle of the mall.
In the mall,
in Maraval.
yeah.
Nelson run up with the big thing and clap all. Oh mama, yeah, oh mama, yeah.
All different language you wanna talk.
Coming close, I'm
Oh mama, hey. Go on. What them antics there? All different language. Oh mama, go on.
see it on your eye. When Maxman ready for you, your soul I go fly. I mean never hear King Boss give a nigga yet no blind.
Sure.
Oh mama, yeah, oh na na,
yeah.
oh me a one man. Circle elements and I think of white van.
Alright then.
Rock City have more belly than a fat man.
Making it up for the party, kill it, yo. All that time about solid man. Ever have one specific line in night, or one verse or something was ever outstanding, dog. You never forget that, brother. You see me I say, you know what? Number one rule, don't panic. You see me? Yo, but you start saying, you know, people, we not first to sing up on a big bumbo class sound system. You see me I say, like how man dip on live dog and you have a big speaker, chomp the tune them pan you, that song and the sound, bad. Say if you don't watch on TV right now, turn up the TV, look more watch ya. Run tune.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, please. When me dogs them roll, them hard, them cool. Shoot man and take them soul.
Sure.
Daylight and place like street ball. Mama, yeah, oh na na. Shot like a boy like the hunting wilder.
Yeah.
Jumping on the ground like a homeless piper. And a cartoon thing, that's not Peter Parker. Pussy better keep up cause they race ya fast ya. They mark 90s with the head in a part ya.
Run back. Go on.
Yeah, oh na na.
Yeah, no.
Shot like a boy like the hunting wilder.
Yeah.
Left him on the ground like a homeless piper.
Sure.
No cartoon thing, this a no Peter Parker. Pussy better keep up cause they race ya fast ya. They Mach 9 piece with the head in a part ya. You better tell your bitch slap with me up on the llama. Nigga try and blank bullet, get that all in your palm. A shot lick a finger, cold like December. Think of me army. Thousand of them and them can't worry.
So this is one of the Clash people, let me know what I go on. Cause remember I say 3 are we and 1,000,000 of them is me I say. So let me know if I one of the song them from out of the Clash. But run tune.
I fall asleep like Britney. Max out, get the rifle and kill them quickly.
Cha.
Alright. Them fin know me a gunman.
Cause what?
Circle lemons in a think that
White van.
Rock City have more belly than a fat man.
Cause what?
I be my brother, you are real one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Please don't fuck with a 9 man.
Oh, back in the scene.
Bigger Rock City, bigger body John John. San Fernando straight back to St. John. Block 5.
Free step on the chat because me name Tai Tai. Me a bad man from way back when yo. You see there?
Rifle the AK holding.
Don't know chopping. Want to think about a song? Jack the number in the comment section. You see me I say no matter what new thing I start do. Me I start say rate the song 1 through 10 and the comment under my comment and just rate the song. You dig me I say? Don't below in the comment section. You dig me? Then we're gonna start with anything we react to as of now. Go follow me on Instagram. Go follow the artist on Instagram. I type about his message. One rate up. You dig me? Go over Instagram. I charge 10,000 followers over Instagram in the dark. You dig me? I say so. Go on. Go subscribe. Go follow me on Instagram at Tariq Vlogs, aka the Reaction Boss. If you type in Reaction Boss, it's gonna pop up because what? Unique. Ow! Shadow, I feel better about I just not gonna do it to the dog. Because it's funny. I'm just glad to me I inspire the youths. That's all I'm gonna say about it. Big up for yourself, I'm out.